Acute mesenteric ischemia is a serious condition characterized by a sudden reduction or loss of blood flow to the small intestine, which may also affect the right colon. The left colon is less commonly involved due to its stronger collateral blood supply. This condition differs from chronic mesenteric ischemia, which involves recurrent abdominal pain related to insufficient blood flow after eating and usually does not require emergency treatment. Acute mesenteric ischemia requires immediate recognition and intervention, as it has a high mortality rate of 60 to 80%, despite advances in medical understanding and management. Pathophysiology. The intestinal mucosa is highly vulnerable to ischemia because of its high metabolic demands. Histological evidence of injury can appear within 15 minutes of complete ischemia, with mucosal sloughing visible within 3 hours and full-thickness necrosis occurring by 6 hours. Reperfusion after this stage often worsens the injury due to the release of inflammatory cytokines and reactive oxygen species, which can lead to multi-organ failure. Etiology. Acute mesenteric ischemia has 4 primary causes. The first is mesenteric arterial embolism, which accounts for 50% of cases. These emboli typically originate from cardiac sources, such as atrial fibrillation, mural thrombi, or valvular lesions. The superior mesenteric artery is often affected, with emboli usually lodging 3 to 10 centimeters from its origin. The second cause is mesenteric arterial thrombosis, commonly associated with advanced atherosclerosis. This type often involves the proximal superior mesenteric artery and is linked to risk factors such as advanced age, hypertension, diabetes, and tobacco use. The third cause is non-occlusive mesenteric ischemia, which results from mesenteric vasospasm without a physical obstruction. Triggers include hypoperfusion, such as in sepsis or dehydration, or excessive sympathetic activity, as seen in heart failure or with certain medications. Persistent ischemia reperfusion cycles can lead to severe tissue damage. The fourth cause is mesenteric venous thrombosis, which accounts for 5 to 15% of cases. This condition often involves the superior mesenteric vein and is associated with hypercoagulable states, malignancy, and oral contraceptive use. Clinical presentation. Patients with acute mesenteric ischemia typically present with severe abdominal pain that is disproportionate to the findings on physical examination. As the condition progresses, peritoneal signs such as guarding and rebound tenderness may develop, indicating infarction or perforation. Common symptoms include vomiting, diarrhea, and heme-positive stools. Hypotension, tachycardia, and tachypnea are signs of severe ischemia and are associated with a poor prognosis. Diagnosis. Diagnosis of acute mesenteric ischemia involves several approaches. Laboratory testing often shows elevated lactate levels, which, while nonspecific, are widely used due to their availability and rapid results. Other markers, such as D-dimer and ischemia-modified albumin, have been studied but lack definitive sensitivity and specificity. Imaging plays a key role in diagnosis. CT angiography is the preferred initial imaging modality, with sensitivity and specificity exceeding 90%. Mesenteric angiography is considered the gold standard for diagnosis and allows for concurrent therapeutic interventions, though it is often limited by availability. Plain radiography is typically nonspecific and useful only in advanced cases. Ultrasound is highly specific for evaluating proximal vessels, but has limitations in assessing distal or complicating findings. Management. The treatment of acute mesenteric ischemia focuses on restoring blood flow, addressing the underlying cause, and preventing further complications. Initial stabilization includes fluid resuscitation using crystalloid solutions and hemodynamic monitoring and stabilization. Interventional and surgical approaches may involve endovascular techniques such as thrombolysis, angioplasty, or stenting. Emergent laparotomy is necessary in cases of infarction, perforation, or peritonitis. Pharmacologic therapies include anticoagulation with heparin for mesenteric venous thrombosis, papaverine infusion to relieve vasospasm in non-occlusive ischemia, and antibiotics targeting enteric pathogens when infection is suspected. Prognosis and complications. Even with timely treatment, complications such as reperfusion injury, sepsis, and multi-organ dysfunction are common. Patients with advanced disease may develop myocardial infarction, renal failure, or pulmonary embolism. Long-term outcomes depend heavily on the speed of intervention and the extent of bowel necrosis. Conclusion. Acute mesenteric ischemia is a medical and surgical emergency that requires swift recognition and action. Multidisciplinary coordination and advancements in imaging and interventional therapies offer hope for improving outcomes in this high-mortality condition.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscription button. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below in the comments section.